In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery in Card. If you've ever wanted to showcase multiple photos cleanly on a single-page site, this walkthrough will help you set it up quickly and make it look polished. While Card doesn't include a traditional grid-style gallery by default, you can still display a collection of images beautifully using the built-in gallery element, or, if you need more advanced behavior like a lightbox, an embed widget. Start by opening your site in the Card editor so you can work right where your content lives. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add Element button, the one with the plus icon. Click it, and from the list of elements, choose Gallery. This instantly creates a gallery block on your page and opens its settings so you can start customizing. Next, upload your images. You can add several at once, and if you need to expand your set later, just use the Add option to include more photos. As your images appear, Card will automatically arrange them into a compact, swipeable strip. This makes the gallery feel like a mini slideshow that visitors can click through, which is great for portfolios, product shots, or event recaps. Now fine-tune how the gallery displays. In the display settings, you'll see options like Fit, Fixed, Full, and Default. Fit typically keeps each image neatly contained within the gallery's bounds without awkward stretching. Fixed aims for consistent sizing across images, which can crop or letterbox depending on your source files. Full is best when you want the gallery to span the full width of its container for a bold, immersive look. Default follows Card's standard behavior. Don't hesitate to toggle through these to see which one best suits your images. Adjust the size, spacing, and layout controls to refine the look. Increase or decrease the size to emphasize detail or conserve space, and tweak spacing to give the images breathing room or create a tighter, more minimal feel. These small adjustments go a long way toward making the gallery feel intentional and balanced across desktop and mobile. When you're happy, use Preview to see how it behaves live, then make any last tweaks for alignment or spacing. Finally, click Publish to push the update to your site. If your goal is to have images open large in a lightbox-style overlay, consider placing an embed widget below and integrating a third-party lightbox solution. Otherwise, the gallery element is a fast, clean way to let visitors click through your images without leaving the page.